Welcome back to Getting Ready with Tanya, Makeup with Tanya. So, got to do quick makeup per usual. I think today might be a ponytail day. Ponytail day faux show. Let's cover our mistakes from yesterday. We can find the concealer. There it is. Still trying to get used to this brush. Not sure if I like it just yet. And we need major coverage today. This would be a good thumbnail. Where is our, and then on top of that, because this is an extra coverage kind of day, we are going to be adding our foundation right on top of that. And I found that if you get this brush wet, it works better. It doesn't have hair on it. It's just not super dense. Oh yeah, we've got massive coverage right now. We're gonna definitely have to bring in some bronzer to this face because it's looking a little. But you know what? We're gonna be completely concealed. What would have worked better, and this is why you need a few concealers, is that this is actually a highlighting concealer. That's why it's looking a little bit more, a little lighter than probably I would like it to look. So I really need, you kind of need about 3 concealers. You need 1 concealer for highlighting, 1 concealer for concealing, and that would be having your concealer to match your skin tone. Then 3, you need a little bit darker concealer for contour. And then what you can do with all of those concealers is you can mix them. So say you get a foundation that is too dark, you add in your light concealer. And if you get a foundation that's too light, you add a little bit of your darker concealer. And then I'm going to do some tutorials on the correcting concealer, which is like your green, your orange, stuff like that. So we're all blended. Okay, I think this brush is growing on me, so haven't fully given up on it just yet. I think the key is getting it a little wet, kind of like your sponge, so not a big deal. If you could see my makeup, it's freaking everywhere. So we're gonna go in, just brighten just a little bit over what we did. So just kind of double coverage. There's nothing wrong with that. So I'm using the little bit smaller Eco tool. It comes in a set of 3. Speaking of concealing our mistakes of yesterday, you know, the greatest thing we can do is make a mistake and and learn from it. You know, we're not striving for perfection. That's silly. We're just striving to do better. So as Maya Angelou would say, when you know better, do better. So that's what we're doing. You know, there's a learning curve on everything, especially these YouTube videos. You know, I'm not quite there yet on how I want everything to look, but the only way I'm gonna learn is just by doing it. Seeing, you know, what people like, what they don't like, and I'll be able to adjust accordingly. You're not gonna be perfect straight out the gate. You gotta get out there and start trying. So that's what I'm doing. Sack of goodies, because we keep it classy around here. Did I get 3 powders? I guess I did get 3 powders. In our brown bag of tricks, we got this Wet n Wild pencil, which I really like. This is one of my faves. And it looks like this. Got this kind of triangle. And I really like the consistency of it. It's not too waxy, but it's waxy enough to glide, because if your eyebrow pencil doesn't have enough kind of wax in it, it'll be like that won't look natural either. So we're just gonna spoolie those, kind of get those strokes blended so they look a little bit more natural. And just kind of easy pressure on it. Start flicking it to get some little hair-like strokes. These brows are coming along. We're gonna look a little bit more like cousins, not sisters, but that's just how it goes. Again, we're not striving for perfection. We're just getting it done. Okay. So yeah, this is one of my favorite pencils, and I have it in bought it in the shade, I believe it's ash brown. Why does that matter? That matters because our brows are usually on the ashier side. So if you get something, you know, a little bit more on the warm side, it's gonna kind of throw off your makeup. If you get something a little too cool, it's not gonna go with your makeup either. So the ash brown in that line is really good. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna put some blush on. I have this new Wet n Wild blush that I'm trying to check out, see if I like it. Quite pigmented. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush that has kind of nothing on it and just kind of wipe away the excess. It itches. Now we're gonna set. And yesterday I went just a smidge ham on the highlighter, in that lighter color, which I think I'm gonna just try to do the gold and see how it does. And since I have a little bit darker skin tone, yeah, that's a good color. It's glowing, but it's not overly glowing. Like, it just looks like a glow within. Yesterday I was a little icy, which is okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go with the good old Morphe. And let's start with this. It's called Forever Brown. Oh, no, it's just called Forever. Kind of just a warm brown. I think browns will go good with my leopard print cardigan that I got off of Amazon. If I would have told you that I was getting clothes off at Amazon like 5 years ago, I'd be like, you're crazy. You know what? I get a lot of my workout clothes from there. And I mean, I don't know if I would buy jeans, but who knows? So we're gonna go with a smaller brush and go with a deeper, just kind of in this outside corner. Kind of like we did the other day. I'm gonna be I'm gonna use this gold cover fix glitter drops, and then with a fluffy brush with nothing on it, we're just gonna blend out those two colors. Boom. Now let's put on our gold glitter drops. Put it on our brush. Just put it right there on the lid.
Pressing that in, blend it out.
This is a Juki Beat production.
That first shade that we put in the crease, I'm gonna put that under the lash line. Good enough for today's look. I need to get some new mascara to try this. This one's on its way out, which I do really like. I do like this mascara. If you've got any mascara suggestions, would love to hear them. Put it in the comments. Mascara on my face. Okay, and then lip, we have a new lip from Milani. So Milani, Covet. Oh. That's brown. Okay. We're doing it. We're committed. Amore Matte. I haven't tried any Milani's matte liquid lips. Not the color that I thought it would be, but you know, doing makeup is a learning curve. But I think for the look, I think it matches. I I mean, I don't know if a lot of people would do this dark of a lip, but I love doing dark vampy lips, and then it makes your teeth look whiter. So what are we gonna do with this hair? Let's do the top knot kind of day. Come on here. Work with me. You get a little hair like this, just tuck her back in.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Dry shampoo is wanting to stay. Okay, we're gonna spray a little hairspray. Got our generic Kenra. Because you know we're balling on a budget. That's how we do. That's how we do it. Could this bun look better? Probably. But you know what? I don't care. I just gotta get out the door. So have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I'll see you soon.